Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Thursday, July 11th, 2013. We have a fairly mixed session today with the averages up or down depending on which one you're looking at. And we've got a lot of mixed signals from our scans. In our Nasdaq leaders here, we've got signals on both sides, so we don't have a real dominance here or a real bias. We do have a couple of volume bumps that are worth mentioning. Sina had a volume bump again today, and also CLAC as well. Amgen, it's got an open-close deviation, putting in a very, very strong candle to the upside. That one's got an upside CPS condition, so that might be worth tracking for tomorrow as well. Moving on to the financials, pretty much an absence of signals here, nothing that really looks that strong to me. As Wells Fargo does have a downside CPS, so if you want to play in this group tomorrow, I would definitely focus on that name. Moving on to the energy names, we're a little bit to the sell side here. We've got differential sells in BP and CHK, and Valero has a downside CPS condition with fairly decent volume. Note that BP is on pretty good volume. Looking at the generals, a couple signals here and there. We do have a couple of volume bumps. Best Buy's got a volume bump on a very, very weak candle. HPQ's got a downside condition on 2 times typical volume, and we don't really have anything else as far as signals go that are on volume in this particular patch. Moving on to the housing names, kind of a mixed bag here. Most of these are very light in volume except for the MVR. MVR is trading more than typical volume. FedEx definitely in motion again today. Was very strong yesterday. Today putting in kind of more of a measuring day on much better than typical volume. And finally, looking at the commodity names, most of these are fairly light volume, but we do have good volume in Mosaic and Potash, so I might want to keep an eye on those for tomorrow. U.S. Steel Letter X has a downside CPS condition and is about a little bit more than 2% below the day's open. So that might be worth keeping an eye on tomorrow as well. That will certainly be on my list. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.